So guys, let me just show you what I've done off camera. Hope you guys are doing great. I've put the headboard. You can see that this is a three-quarter bed, but like I don't think it's that bad, you guys. And judging by that, this bed and that bed, I bought singles. I thought it would be wise if we put the headboard on this bed compared to this one or that other one. Guys, there's a lot of laundry everywhere, so it is just a mess. I'm just going to show you this. It's clean laundry, basically need to be folded. Now they've been using their inners without anything on the bed. You can see like the beds are just raw. I need to put in bed sheets. And then here, I don't know if it's still going to remain like this. We'll see, judging by how much we have of that wallpaper thingy. And I don't have a paint for that, and I don't want to buy a new paint. I don't know if I send it. I think it's white under. The frame is white under, because I don't, that black is no longer going to serve what we want for this room. So yeah, like it will just be total out G, unless if I put like a frame inside that picture, a fabric background frame, not the frame, fabric background for that picture, it might make a lot of sense. But if it's like that, it doesn't. And then here I've started, you guys, I put my sneakers to block and this is still wet, this blanket, but we are going to remove it. It seems like cement, you guys. Like it still feels like you are on the cement when you are stepping on this thing, and it ends from here. So let me just try to zoom it out so that you can see what I'm trying to explain. I also use my Christmas tree there to block it so that it can stick like nicely. Look how short this thing is, you guys. And I'm bad with measurements here. Even if I've measured the room, I knew that I was going to be short. But I love that I can still get this or something similar from Pep Home. I saw it the other time when I was getting those the table runner and that glassware thingy. So if I'm short, I'm going to get it from Pep Home. But let's work now. At first, I was happy about the flooring. I thought everything is coming together nicely. Little did I know that I'll use the side table to climb and put up the wallpaper, and then it got scratched easy like that. I didn't even like push the side table on the floor, but it being there, it's got torn. So we still need to find a flooring. Lesson learned. And yeah, it's okay, you guys. Money lost also, but we are learning. We'll try again with the other flooring. I just have to do my research better. The size of this bed, sorry guys, I'm receiving a message from YouTube, like from my WhatsApp, but she says she saw me on YouTube, Small World. So it doesn't cover from this side very well. I try to push it that side because that's where it matters the most, but we shall see when it's done. Maybe I'll have to remove it from the corners there and try to make it work. And now look at that. Look at that wall. It needs a bit of wash or paint, but it's so dirty now. Let me see what I can do about this wall before we continue.
You renew my spirit, you carry all my cares. In every trial I whisper, I know you're always there. Your word is my strength, your love never ends. Your word lifts me, your promise makes me strong. Even in the valley, I know I'm not alone. Oh, your word lifts me, it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your love is where I belong.
It is very late at night. My people are sleeping, but in order for me to push on this project, I had to do it while they were sleeping. At least they are heavy sleepers. They didn't hear me. It's just that it was not a success to do this thing alone. I had to ask Umtebisi the next day to assist me with the wallpaper. It's ruined already, and you guys, I've learned a lot with these projects because normally I will ask for help from him, but now our schedules like they clash. He's working on his work and also on the basket, so by 10 o'clock that's our cut off time. That's when we should like sleep so that we are fresh for the next day. If you don't have help, you must prioritize your time, so that's how we do things. Now I want to send this dresser. I know I've said I don't want to send it, but now I feel like I need change. I need more warm, and I want this place to feel more inviting for the girls. This was a huge mistake. Sending this picture was a huge mistake because I ended up breaking it. I still need to throw away those glasses. I just need to wrap them around and throw them away safely so that they don't hurt anyone. But lesson learned. I was trying to get the original color. Some of these were originally black, some were white, but I painted them black and I'm so over this black color, you guys. I don't like it anymore, but I thought I can still use the frame. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore. Maybe it was time for change. Anyway, it's okay. We are almost at the end of today's video. I am sorry you guys for uploading this late, but please give me some grace. With Snalo being around, baby girl is still young, so I cannot like do things like I used to before, but I'm super proud of myself that I managed to like get these videos up, even though that's time. We will work on it, like we will work on a specific time where we say at this time expect a video, but for now it's not easy to record with this device. It gets full and I have to delete, upload, then work on something else, then upload, just like that. So I cannot like batch film the content. Even if I do have it at hand, it's very hard to do that. So please bear with me, you guys. I hope you found some inspiration to do the same. Whichever room that you want to improve, like you can get it or do it at a minimum cost. My own earphones, you guys. Only now I'm trying to finish the video because I almost like not uploaded. I know it's going to be very late, but my husband came back. The market was cancelled, so he had to come back. This coat, I'm going to leave it here because I still need to finish that, and also I'm thinking of getting two of these. It was not expensive, you guys, but I made a mistake. You can see that gap. I don't like it. It's going to take some time for me to complete this, but I'm already loving it. And then on this side of the wardrobe, we are going to paint it, you guys, pink color. There's this doggy pink from Fired Ed. I love the paint so much. The door, it still needs a bit of wood filling, so that won't be done now. But I love the pink so much. It's just that I don't like what happened there, you guys. I tried to do this alone at night, but it didn't work. The heads are still there. Another change that I made was to put that picture up there, and there was a nail that was already there, so another one was somewhere here. I wanted the picture to be like in the middle, but it is not possible for now unless we make other changes. Coming to the side, I haven't put in like those curtain holders. I want to change the padding for part 2. Hopefully we will have that, guys. This is what I want to achieve with this padding. This is it ruffle? Is it called ruffle? I think so. This is what I want. This is exactly what I want. And now I'm thinking that we are going to I'm going to be on the lookout for a double bed cover. I love this so much. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to look out for when I'm going to the thrifting shop. The one that are straight, apart from that, they are included. I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like these. And yeah, I know 15 rand is money, but it's not a lot. I didn't spend a lot, you guys. I changed the bedding, it's fresh. There I didn't do anything except for those sticking what that I was going to use to hang baby's clothes. The other thingies were missing, so I just put that there. It is not practical. The girls, I asked them not to use them. This flooring is nonsense. So yeah, they are like, it didn't happen the way I wanted to, but this room is refreshed and clean. I didn't even iron, you guys, the bedding because my vision was just not coming through. But even though it was failing, I still had to show you. And then my husband is asking if you guys agree with him if we should like leave it like this or paint the whole cabinet. He's in love with this. He was like, he kept on saying wow, you did an amazing job. I love this the way it is. I'm sorry guys, I'm catching flu. Maybe you can hear my voice. He kept on saying that he loves this, and this is the paint that was left from the downstairs project. But you guys, can see it was going to look really nice. I'm still going to get maybe 2 sheets from Pep just to cover it, but I'm not happy, you guys. It's already torn. You can see, like, Sonji, this thing is just nonsense. But the price also was, I don't remember how much it was, but it was not expensive. And that it was not expensive, that I found online, and it was going to be quicker, but I can't pay 800 rand 500 rand for a wallpaper. I'm going to wait for Shein, you guys. I paid less day, and I love the quality. To think that I removed this thing 2 times and it still stick on this wall, love it so much. So part of me is happy, you guys, because I've worked hard on this. But yeah, I worked. I did okay. I did okay. I could have done better, but yeah, I want to show you guys when it's not perfect and when I feel like I'm happy with the progress. And what I love is that I'm not in a rush. We can always update where you want to update. You guys know about the headboard. I've already told you the story. That's why there's only one for now. And then just those 2 baskets. But yeah, it is just step back.